Hello my dear students, so today we will discuss the numerical problem that is based on the propagation of error. ठीक है जी. So the statement is the physical quantity x is given by x is equal to a square b square over c d raised to power 3 by 2. Clear in powers. If the percentage error of measurements in A, B, C and D are 4%, 2%, 3% and 1% respectively, calculate percentage error in X. So this is a numerical problem based on the propagation of error, and when the result is in the form of powers. So we use that formula. According to that formula, what is the percentage error in X? That will be equal to the power. Here power is 2 times the percentage error in plus the power of B is 2 times the percentage error in B, plus the power of C is 1, so 1 times the percentage error in C, then plus the power of D is 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 times the percentage error in D. Clear? So we are using that formula. Now what will be? This will be equal to 2 times the percentage error in A, and percentage error in A that is given to us, that is 4%. So this will be equal to 2 into 4% plus 2 times the percentage error in B. So that is 2 into 2% is given. 2%, then beta 1 times 3% in C, so into 3% plus 3 by 2 times the percentage error in D, and that is also 1%. So the 4 into 2, that is 8, plus 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 1 into 3, that is 3, 3 by 2 into 1 plus 3 by 2. Or you can, if you want to cut here 2, you can also write here the 2%, then 2 will be cut. So it is 8 plus 4, that is 12, 12 plus 3, that is 15, 15 plus 3 by 2, that is 30 plus 3 by 2, that is 33 by 2%. ठीक है जी. So thank you beta, thank you very much. Clear? 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 by 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 by 2, that is 8, 4 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3 by 2, 30 plus 3 by 2, that is 33 by 2%. So thank you.